Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete audio from video in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. First, I will import my clip and place it on the timeline. As you can hear, there is some audio. If I click on the audio and press delete, it removes both the video and audio together. But I only want to delete the audio, so I'll press Command plus Z to undo that. To separate the audio from the video, right-click the clip and select Link Clips or use the shortcut option plus Command plus L. Once the clips are unlinked, deselect them, select the audio again, and press delete. However, you will notice it still deletes the entire clip. To fix this, press Command plus Z again or Control plus Z in Windows. Instead of using delete, press backspace. As you can see, this time only the audio gets deleted, while the video remains intact. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete audio from video in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.